is a disaster. So if you notice right here, she has like, I put a little we're putting relaxer in here right now, but we're going to work on it and try to smooth it out. Her hair is, she hasn't been here. When last time you came? I don't know. We'll figure that out. But anyway, so her hair is totally like lots of new growth. We are really working hard to get her hair where we want it to be, because when she came in, this hair looked like this, and it is really thick in those roots, and we want to get it down. We're going to actually just give her a cut and kind of clean this up, because we don't want to do too much stretching on her hair at all. So as you notice, I'm going to try to go through here. Look at that. I can't get in there because it's so tight. And I don't like to struggle and pull too much hair. But look, this is just because she hasn't come for a while to get her hair done. So what we're going to do is keep working at this. It takes time. Make sure your client is based and you got them prepared for this, because it's going to take a minute. So I'm going to keep working at this and we'll keep you posted. Okay, so if you notice what I'm doing here, I'm actually smoothing up. I'm using a comb this time. My thumbs are tired. And I'm just breaking it down with using my hand just to bring it all through, because we're going to cut most of this off, but her hair is definitely needs some help. So I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. I'm using the back of the comb. I'm using a bigger comb. And I'm just going through the back of it. I'm giving it a little pressure. And I'm breaking it down so we can smooth out this hair. We just want to blend it. We don't want it to be, it don't have to be poker straight, but we want it to be balanced out enough, okay? So that's what I'm going to continue doing. What I'm doing here, I'm using the comb again, the back of the comb. And when I get to this part, I'm just using my hands to smooth out any roughages that's in this hair, just to kind of break her down. And I still got a little bit to go, so we're going to keep working. Okay, so this is what we have after our relaxed area. We relaxed this entire scalp as I showed you. And now the tangle, it smoothed it out just enough for me to get through it. We're getting ready to give her a cut. So, and now we can comb it. We can even comb it at first. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to work through it right now, and then we're going to set up for a haircut. So what I'm going to do with her is I'm going to give her a haircut. We're going to just give her a bob. So we're going to just start cutting just like this here. We're going to do, and then we're going to bring everything into this bob. And you'll see we'll give her some fullness in the bang. And we're going to fix her up. Cut off some of them sides and make things work. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm just elevating her just a little bit to give her a little bit of a bump here, because I cut this all short right there. And then I am taking and following my guide, and I'm just cutting all that hunk off, because it needs to go, because actually her hair is a disaster. So we are going to work on her, and she don't care. We're customer friends. So, and then on the sides, I'm just taking that and bringing it back, and it'll kind of give me that little slant on the sides there. So it'll actually fall differently. Okay. We're just giving her some bump on the bottom. And I like to use a little bit of hair shine on the, just to give her a little shine and keep her bouncy. Okay, yeah, beautiful.
Okay.
We're just curling her all kind of ways so it can actually fall in the pattern that we cut it in. So you'll get to see that. So, and just making it get some body there. Okay? Big barrels, and I'm just giving her like a nice little bump with those big barrels. Okay? And I'll show you how I'm doing it again with another one, because I love these barrels that I'm using. And I will show you what I put on her hair for the extra shine. Just count like. Alright, so I'm using these bigger barrels, and I'm going to give her some nice tight bump up here in the top. Okay. And I'll show you what I'm using on her in a little while, so to give her that extra shine. And these barrels are the bomb. All right, so this is what we ended up doing with the curl. We gave her the curls everywhere and fluffed them all around. And we're going to actually just comb her out now. So I wanted you guys to see how we ended up with the curl. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to just take and just comb her around, and we're going to give her around this part right behind her ear like she likes. And now she has plenty of body from that beautiful head of hair she has that needed a little bit of work today. So, but she's good. She feels better and feels like herself again. And so we're going to take this top, we're going to comb it back a little bit, give her a little bit of bump, bring it forward for her, just so she can have some more stuff going on here. Okay, this is our finish as she turns. Isn't that beautiful? She came in with a lot of hair going on there, and we just had to hook my girl up. Had to get her something cute, and she loves it. She feels like the new her. So if you like this video, a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Fern from the House of Glamour. Bye.